we are looking at how to pronounce these words, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary in English, so stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. So how do you say it? Well, there are indeed 3 different pronunciations that are correct in English. That's why there's a lot of confusion. Now, in British English, it's generally said one of either those ways: gaseous, gaseous, stress on the first syllable always, or gaseous, gaseous or gaseous. That's academically British English. Now, in American English, it's either gaseous or gaseous. Gaseous or gaseous in American English. Now, obviously, everybody sort of mixes up all of this, so it can be said either of 3 ways. In summary: gaseous, gaseous, or gaseous. And now you know it all. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. It helps a lot for that. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.